guys! At sa araw na ito, samahan niyo kaming maglakwatsa! For today's video, bees, makakasama natin ang aking BFF na si Zaire. Well, if you don't know her, puppies, she is my friend in junior high school sa Holy Cross. Yes, doon kasi ako nag-junior high sa Holy Cross Academy. Anyway, our agenda for today, bees, anakang talaga kinani is magpapaschedule kan akong pagpadental. And then, after, mauli na largo. But, may dapi na habol. Pag-update ko naman GC gamon niya magsarangkay, kasama daw si Zaire. I didn't expect that, bees, kay, pero nalaka-oras magikan na van. But yes, bees, nasa amin ang panahon. Nasa amin, more likely hawak namin ang beat. Yay! Anyway, bees, hindi ko pa nga nasabi kung where are we. Okay, bigyan ko kayo ng 5 seconds to comment down below kung hain kami. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Yun na nga ni clue. We are right now here at Kids Paradise. Just forget about the fact na labis nga 18 na. So, bees, at Kids Paradise, if tikadi kam, located hi Haborongan, ha Uptown Mall. Tapos, an entrance fee, nakakalimtan ko na. Basta mga di mga 100. And don't forget, bees, nga dapat may kam socks. Bawal kasi kam sumulad nyo na rin kam socks. Tapos if nakalimtan niyo tiyo socks, pwede kang pumalit ha counter. Anyway, bees, very effective hiya di pampalipas oras. If you like parkours, playing Roblox, you'll definitely like it here. Parang real life Roblox game kasi hiya. Don't mind dak BFF naglalaglit hiya. Maram na makamakuri kasi signal didit sila dit mo. Anyway, bees, this is the Kids Paradise. Asyente makikita when you enter the place. Also, bees, may didinero mga bado. Like if you're a kid watching this, you can wear this costume. Oh, about the audience of my videos. Bees, I have noticed na most of you nga nagkukulawtakan vlog is di pa naka-follow. Asya, bees, if di pa kam naka-follow, please follow me. Para palagi kayong updated sa aking susunod na vlogs. Let's go back to where we are. So, bees, dinigim palawtak ni Zaire. And then, anak nahatag iya accidentally dog food pala siya. That's why she was angry. Hindi naman daw siya aso. Mukha ba siyang aso? And of course, nag-apologize ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, no, B, you're not. You're not a dog. You're a cat. Meow. Kidding! Nare-range bait ko ng aking BFF. Buti na lang, meron akong daladalang COVID-19. May panlaban tayo sa kanyang balls attack. Self-defense ba? Self-defense? Do you know, bees, what I really like about this place? We all know that this place is Kids Paradise. So, kids. Pero, from what I observe, mas daw mga nit nasalad yung mga tigurang kisit mga bata. Because this place is like magic. Kung singani ka nasalad, you forgot about your problems outside. Na para bang adakit bahay ni kuya. You are living in the present and not caring about the outside world. It's just me and my friend healing our inner child. And I'm guessing that's what makes it